नमस्ते JVN, खुश रहो बिटिया। I JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic to study the integumentary system and spatial senses. This topic belongs to the human anatomy and physiology practical for the B Pharm second semester. So now we come to the topic integumentary system. The integumentary system comprise the skin and its appendages action to protect the body from various kind of damage, such as loss of water and damages from outside. The integumentary system includes hair, scales, feather, hooves, and nails. This is the main concept of the integumentary system. Now we come to the what is the main function of the integumentary system. The integumentary system consists of the skin, hair, nails, glands, and nerves. Its main function is to act as barrier to protect the body from the outside world. It also functions to retain body fluids, protect against disease, eliminate waste product, and regulate body temperature. So next point is what organ make up the integumentary system? The integumentary system is an organ system consisting of the skin, hair, nails, and exocrine glands. The skin is only a few millimeters thick, yet is by far the largest organ in the body. So, some special 7 functions of integumentary system. First one is covering. Deep tissue protect from dehydration, injury, and germ invasion. Next point, regulates the body temperature, manufacture and site nerves ending, storage fat, glucose, water, and salt, and screening, and last one is absorbs. So this is the short introduction of the integumentary system. Now we come to the spatial senses. What is the spatial senses? Accessory structure of the eye is also the part of the spatial senses. So eye, eye vision, so kind of the spatial senses. The spatial senses, general senses of touch, tactile, and temperature thermoreceptor, that means heat, pressure mechanoreceptor, that means movement, and pain mechanoreceptors. Spatial senses, first one is smell, and second one is taste, and sight, and hearing, and equilibrium. So first one is the eye and vision. 70% of all sensory receptors are in the eyes. Each eye have over 1 million nerves fiber protect for the eye. Most of the eye is enclosed in a bony orbit. A cousin of fat surrounds most of the eye. So structure of the eye is made up of the eyelid. Eyelid brush particle out of eye or cover the eye for the protection. Eyelashes trap particle and keep them out of the eye. So this is the this is a kind of multiple type of senses, and it is very important sense for the body. Now we come to the function of lacrimal apparatus. Lacrimal fluid is also present in the eye. So properties of lacrimal fluids, first one is dilute salt solution called as tears, and contains antibody, fight antigens, foreign substance, and lysozyme enzyme that destroy bacteria. Protects, moisten, and lubricate the eye. Extrinsic eye muscle. Muscles attached to the outer surface of the eye produce eye movement. Uh, Overall, the eye is very important. The wall is composed of three tunics. First one is fibrous tunic and choroid middle layer and sensory tunic inside layer. The fibrous tunic is sclera, white connective tissue layer and seen anteriorly as the white of the eye, semi-transparent. The fibrous tunic cornea is very important for the eye vision. Uh, Sensory tunic retina, called as retina, contains receptor cells, photoreceptor, rods, and cones. Some of the visual pigments are rhodopins, visual purple in high concentration in RODS, composed of opsin and retinal, a derivative of vitamin A protein. When light hits the protein, it bleaches, turns yellow, and then colorless. It straightens out and breaks down into opsin and retinal. So, neurons of the retina and vision is also very important part of the eye senses. So, how do we see color? To see any color, the brain must compare the input from different kind of cone cells and then make many other comparison as well as. Now we come to the internal eye chamber fluids. Internal eye chamber fluids is a type of aqueous humor, watery fluid found in chamber between the lens and cornea, similar to blood plasma. Lens accommodation, light must be focused to a point on the retina for optimal vision. The eye is set for distance vision, is also very important for the vision purpose of the eye. So now we come to the eye reflexes. Internal muscle are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. Bright light cause pupil to constrict through action of radial and ciliary muscles. So glaucoma cause pain and possible blindness. So it is a very common disease for the eye. And so all are complete this short study of the integumentary system and different types of spatial senses for the short study. So this is complete session. This session powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.